Good evening, this is Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette on Saturday evening at a 3-vehicle accident that occurred here in Williamsport about 7:15 p.m. You can see that this is a Buick Century Limited. Very heavy front end damage here. And over here are the other two vehicles. The Williamsport Sun-Gazette is told that the operators were shaken up,
Okay, bye-bye.
but everybody declined medical treatment.
I said might.
We're just about a block from the Williamsport Regional Medical Center. Paramedics responded from over by the hospital there. You can see it through the trees. City firefighters are here, city police. They're conducting an investigation right there. It's my understanding that's a city police officer interviewing one of the witnesses to the crash. A pizza delivery man who was just coming through the area and witnessed the accident. Nobody taken to the hospital. Everybody declined treatment here following this 3-vehicle crash Saturday evening at Williamsport at High and Locust Streets. This is Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette.